Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You open the door.
So what?
You open that back door.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. That's clean.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached. And it's matted black. Got the bushes black and
Yeah, sure. I'm checking it out. I like to see everything.
Yeah.
Oh, you got AC running.
Oh yeah.
You want to give me a walk around real quick?
Well, I just got it done about a week ago. I mean, Gary, he built the box for me.
Okay.
I mean, the HDX 3 18s wired down to 1 ohm or a 5K. MD tears in.
All right. How much electrical?
Sitting at 13.4.
Battery and alternator?
Yeah, 200 amp alternator and 1 battery in the back and 1 in front.
Okay. What's it tuned to?
30 hertz.
30? Nice. So lows.
Yeah.
Well, they're still breaking in?
Yeah, it's still breaking. That's why you slow.
Yes, sir. I like it. LEDs.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I just wanna have my everybody got a sense where I know what way down.
That's weird. What happened?
I don't know.
Something happened.
Yeah, I have to check it out.
I'm gonna go look at. Is the back open, or can I look at the back?
With the trunk? Ain't nothing in there.
Oh, it's not. Just walled. Okay.
Yeah, it's a wall.
Does this go up at all?
Nah, but you come right here.
Something's acting up. One of his subs started sounding like a coil was separating. It sounded like a spring. Should have been playing Put On. Hold on, look. Huh? That one's a little stiffer. Can I see your alternator? Can I see your alternator? So there's nothing in the back, it's just storage?
Yeah,
okay.
storage.
So MD8 tank. You built this? Oh wow. What is it? He said it was tuned to 30 hertz? That thing plays good. You do? It'll meter and be louder, but lows. Yeah. Have you metered it yet, or is it still breaking in? HDX 18s. I don't know, maybe you should play it and see how it sounds. That's what I would do.
One thing, those LEDs came loose.
Oh.
So I can't see them just below there.
Yeah.
But I hear something now.
Can you hear it? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Don't drop your phone in that.
Right?
Does the port go down some after that depth? Or does it fold down?
It goes down and then angles. But the LEDs will be right below back there.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.